So here is how to create a cinematic text revealing show. Open InShot app and create a blank video. Tap duration and increase it. Tap text and add your text. Change the font to your preference and increase the text size. Then save the video. Now go back and delete the text. Tap VIP and import the text video we saved earlier. Click on full screen and add keyframe at the beginning. Tap mask and add a bilateral mask. Rotate it and drag the shadow key. Then move it to the beginning of the clip. Add mask again and move it to the end. Add other masks and move it below the text. Finally, drag the mask tool upwards to reveal the text. Done. Let's preview the final result. Thank you for watching this video all till the end. Be sure to leave a like on the video and comment down below if you find this video helpful. Much love I got for you, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.